HTML. Last 5 years, we have developed what is the developments in HTML is JavaScript, that is topics. In this situation, the modern front-end development evaluations in HTML is JavaScript. Now you already into the applications development. So what is means full applications we have to develop new structures. We have to focus in areas in performance, UX sites, and accessibility and scalability. We have to improve the last 5 years main things. In HTML updates in 2021 to 2026, what is the means better semantic tag elements like you all of you know the semantic tags. What is semantic tags? It means it is a meaningful tags like the header, sections, and footer. What is the works he is doing and which place it will show. That is the semantic tags. These things we have to improve these things. Why it will be improvements? It will be easier to understand the. We are all like Google SEO, and then coders also easy to identify which tag which will be using and that tag. Easy to understand the code. The help in SEO, the Google understanding page it will be better to SEO performance. Then improved in dialogue. This dialogue, why it would be using dialogue means in last I am also know 2 days before in dialogue is usually in this without any frameworks. I'm lastly working in Angular developer that will be working in a dialogue. Why? Because it is a framework like using a PrimeNG. That time it will be using dialogue. But I'm also don't know dialogue is using empty HTML and CSS and JS only. Like in last 5 years, it will be improving dialogue box. How it's working means like using the dialogue pop-up box without using the JS library. Anything library means like PrimeNG, Bootstrap, that type of libraries without will be using like HTML dialog. It will be open like using the paragraph tag inside the hello user dialog. JS will be using for dialog show model. It will be open and dialog it will that close means it will be closed. Dialog HTML elements creating the pop-up without external libraries. I will show you the code how it will be working. If this place we have to using the dialog using the like button we have to create like button check if it click means the check button. Yeah, about this thing this it will be show the check button. It will be using the dialog tag id equal to that dialog id name. We have to insert the using the paragraph tag that hello user then pop up in JS. What if I'm writing means then Then document dot add, you will listen to the document downloaded time. The const open dialog, it will be given the name of that query selector, the button, selected button. It will be given the box button. This name is like class name. They given the box button, it's the class name of check button. And then const the dialog, document dot query selector, it will be using for ID. That my dialog, it will be the ID name. Then open dialog, even the open dialog, add even listener. If clicking time, the dialog icon, dialog tag, it will be show model. Even the show model means it will be open. Like if I clicking, this means it will be opened in this place, in center of the place given. Hello user. These things it will be added for anything using the JS libraries. Given HTML, CSS, empty JS, like using for show model only. And if given the dialog dot close means it will be closed. Like another given event, it will be close button, the type of given. Dialog it will be completed. Then otherwise it will be what is improvement means in HTML, which is lazy loading images. Why it using means lazy loading images, it will be working on like performance based, like easily to load the. We have given the hundred of images in at the same time it will be loaded. The timing is getting too long, and performance it will be little bit slow. So that time it will be given the images, it will be lazy loading concept means it will be given the less time. Why? Because when the image is show means that time only it will be loaded. Like using the image tag, it will be the loading is equal to lazy. The things it will be using images loaded when the scrolling. Lazy loading improves the performance by loading images only when it will require. Given example images, if we'll given okay, space. Yeah. First of all, it will be getting like only for 2 images it will be loaded. First things. When I will scroll. Then third images it will be loaded. When the images it will be shown means that time it will be loaded on third images, it will be the network tab. So this is the lazy loading concept. It will be working like performance based, scalability and performance. It will be using like this type. But one thing I have in session, bro.
Yes, Akash.
Yeah, bro. This concept is I have a doubt, bro. Yesterday I looking this, but little bit doubt. What I want means, um, I have given a lot of images, like
Okay.
10 to 20, like 10 images. It will be in separate sections.
Okay.
Given the image, loading equal to lazy in all images, but same time it will be loaded. Then I checked. Then I checked the something in that time given the height in above sections it will
I,
be more height means that time it will be working correctly. What
okay.
is the
Okay.
issue?
Okay. So actually, it is like a main thing. We can like
Hmm.
those thing is coming. We can't control. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So we just control using JS. That
Hmm.
times we are
Yes.
using like a pagination and other things. Okay.
Hmm.
So that times like it's helpful. If you are giving
Yeah. Okay.
100 images at a time to HTML, it will directly like a display. It's a
Hmm.
skeleton. Okay. whatever the
Okay.
thing, it will directly like a display. But we are
Okay. Okay.
like a, but what happened if it will
Hmm.
like a display, so it will take load. So
Load in same
we
time.
will manage this loading. We add like a pagination and other things, like a lazy loading we will manage through JS these things. Okay, it's
Yeah,
helpful.
okay.
Okay, it's like a, we are
Then this
also
is not
use as a
useful.
attributes also.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
This loading lazy it's useful or not, bro?
Yeah, yeah, it's useful. It's useful.
Uh,
Okay, we can't add anything like like attributes, so we just
hmm.
introduce, yeah, lazy loading.
Okay.